According to statistics, an average student in Nigeria is completely broke. I mean, it's not a bad idea that a student is broke, he or she is just a student. But the fact is that as a student, you can still be a student and still be making money for yourself every single day. The reason why I'm actually making this video is because I've come encounter with a lot of students that come into my DM and say, please, I'm broke. I need something to do. I need money fast for my textbook. So sometimes I wonder, there are a lot of opportunities online. Why are these people still completely broke? But I came to understand that it's actually because most of them don't have the information required for them to build something for themselves. So I take it upon myself to just do this video to share a little information I found out recently that can help you start your investment journey as a student right here in Nigeria. See me for the first time, you'll come to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. Right here on my channel, I talk about different side also, something you can try for yourself online just with your smartphone. You want to get more update from me? Do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates coming your way. Don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. Before I continue, I want you to know that investing is risky. That is the fact. Let me just clarify that investment is actually risky. In fact, everything about life is risky. So as a disclaimer, I just want you to know that investment is risky. I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. If I ask you to invest in crypto, well, you're going to say crypto has high risk. Crypto is kind of complicated for beginners. But the investment we want to talk about today is actually called investing into the stock market. I've been using a lot of stock market investment platforms like Bamboo, Trove, and the rest. There is one I found out recently that actually blew my mind because inside this one, they have a lot of companies, a lot of local Nigerian companies. This can be a good opportunity for students to actually try investing into the stock market. How can you make your money if you decide to buy stocks from reputable companies? Number one, you can make your money through dividends. Some of these companies, they offer you dividends for buying shares from their company, and the higher the shares you buy from them, the more likely you can collect the dividends from them. The second way you can actually make profit here, just monitor the market. When they are down, you buy. Once you buy, you hold. After some time, when the thing fluctuates, it might not be overnight, it might be 24 hours, it might be 48 hours, it might be 1 week, it might be 1 month, it might be 3 months. I know some of you will say, Solomon, you're talking too much. Why are you talking too much? Show us how to buy these stocks. Show us how to start. Well, that is what I want to do right now. So just pay close attention. So the app I want to use today is called Cowrywise. First thing right here is for you to set up an account. So after you set up an account, this is how your dashboard will look like. The next thing right here is for you to verify your account, your identity, your address, your NIN, or your legal verification, because this platform is actually legal. So after you're done with that, the next thing is for you to click on the learn. You're going to see the learn icon at the bottom. What I like about this learn icon is that every single month they post a video teaching you something new about the stock market, teaching you something new about the platform, helpful tips that can help you on your investment journey. Come down here and go through these articles. They have a lot of articles right here that you can read. Just go through them. You learn more about the stock market. Stash means the money you keep that you're not doing anything with it. You're going to see where they say my Naira investment, dollar investment, savings. So they have different form of investments. You're going to see save at the top. You're going to see invest right here. Let's talk about save first. This save, you're going to see general and all this emergency stuff. You can just select something. You can see save with others, football, basketball, and all this one. And the main one here is this particular invest. Under invest, they have Naira NG stocks, which is Nigerian stocks. They have Naira funds, which is Naira mutual fund. Let's check out Naira mutual fund first. Under Naira mutual fund, you're going to see my investment, new investment. I've actually blurred out some parts right here. So if I click on the plus icon, you're going to see they say choose a preferred investment path. You can see manage portfolio, individual mutual fund. So I'm going to click on individual mutual fund. Now you're going to see different mutual fund they can buy here. Can see this one is Stanbic IBTC money market fund. You can see IBTC fixed income fund. I mean, they have a lot of mutual funds that you can buy. This one is from United Bank of Africa. This one is afrivest Pluto's fund. Now I'm invested into this particular mutual fund on Optimus. So the minimum you can buy right here is actually 1,000 naira. Just click on different amount. You're going to see that the minimum here is 1,000. You can see that they have the ones that are high risk, they have medium risk, and they have low risk. You can see this one here, they call them conservatives. They have this one moderate, and they have aggressive, and this aggressive have high yield. You understand? They have high yield. This particular aggressive, some of them have 41%, some of them have up to 35%, some of them have up to 38%. So this is actually for the mutual fund part. The next part right here is, let's check out the stocks. This is the one we want to check out today, the stocks. So I'm going to click on the stocks right here. So I'm going to come here and click on the plus icon. I'm going to see different Nigerian stocks that you can buy, or different Nigerian companies that you can invest into. You can see Access Holding PLC, African Alliance. You can see, oh my goodness, they have a lot of company. Airtel Africa PLC, Fidelity Bank. Let's see how much they have their stocks. A unit is 20 naira for 1 unit. It's even high. Look for the ones that are lower than that if you don't have much capital. Guarantee Trust Bank right here is 93 naira. Wow, this is MTN Nigeria, was still 430 something. Oando PLC 45 naira, and it's going down, which means there was a time it was actually higher than 45 naira. It was 77 naira. It was up to 88 naira. So if you buy now, which is 45 naira, you can still fluctuate up to 100 naira per share. So all what you have to do, you can buy now and keep. So once the thing fluctuate for some time, it can take a month, it can even take up to a year. So once you fluctuate, you can sell and collect your profit, or you can just buy and keep and they give you dividends. So let's come for Stanbic IBTC, 98 naira. Wow, that is high. Sterling Bank is 7 naira. Stanbic IBTC, you're going to see that there was a time that it was just 52 naira per share. It goes to 54 naira, went to 57, it climbs down to 59, 72, 99. You can see 94. You can see this one was up to 100 naira. Based on what I'm seeing here, it's like FCMB Bank is more cheap. If it has actually gotten to 1120, this was on August 9 this year, which means it might also go up. So I need to buy this at 1065. So let me just go ahead, and it was 1069 now it's 1065. So let me buy right here. I'm going to buy this at the rate of 2,000 naira. 2,000 shares is 21,000 naira. You cannot buy for 2,000 naira because the minimum here is 470 shares. You can't buy for less than 5,000 naira. So I bought over 700 shares from them. But when the thing fluctuate, I'm just going to keep it there. When it fluctuate, I'm still going to earn something from that. This particular Cowrywise have their pros and their cons now, because they have pros. It's easy, it's learnable, it's flexible, everybody can understand, it's simple. But they also have some things that are not good. For example, if you want to buy stocks, you cannot buy below 500 units. You can't buy below 500 or 490 something units. There are some other platforms like Trove. You can buy even with as low as 1,000 naira. If 1,000 naira is what you have in your wallet, you can buy with that. So you can still check that out. So this is how you can start as a student, so that you will not be completely broke. At least you have something at the side. So let me know what you think in the comment section about this investment plan. Are you going to try it? Have you been using it? Has it been working out for you?